American Typewriter. Dusk happened again. I've dragged the family to the park, retaining pond, to follow the marvelous Russian satellite across the sky. They were surprised, I think, at my insistence. The hidden part of what I want is a night insect that you can see in shafts of streetlight. By this light, I've misidentified woodland creatures from 3 phyla. Here in the doldrums, I stayed in. On Halloween, read Faust, picked fights with phantom critics, the television, the birds. Who can blame me? The birds, the television, all the cities I've left behind.